So, altcoin season. It's back on the radar, huh?
Yep, and it's shaping up to be insane. Capital's already flooding in, over 50 billion into ETFs alone.
That's wild. So, we're talking Bitcoin's cooling off and people are looking for higher returns?
Exactly. Classic pattern. Bitcoin runs first, then ETH, then the altcoin floodgates open.
I remember that from 2021. Avalanche went nuts, and Solana basically moonwalked to the top.
Solana did over 300% in weeks. This time might be even crazier with all that ETF-driven liquidity.
And stablecoins, right? Those are blowing up too.
Yeah, Tether alone is over $150 billion. That's pure dry powder for altcoins.
So you're saying more stablecoins, more ammo?
Bingo. In 2021, USDT spiked 40% just before alt season. Now it's deja vu.
What about macro? Rates are still high, no?
Sure, but cuts are expected later this year. If that hits, liquidity is going to loosen up hard.
So this could be another 2021 style rocket ride?
If Bitcoin chills and capital rotates, absolutely. It's already dropping in dominance.
Bitcoin dominance, isn't that the big signal?
Yeah. Once it dips below 58%, all season lights start flashing. Right now, we're at 64%.
So not yet, but getting close?
Exactly. Keep an eye. Once BTC goes sideways, people get itchy and look for that next 10x.
That's when things start moving fast. Like, blink and you miss it.
Literally. 2024's alt season lasted only 60 days. This year, maybe 3 to 6 months max.
Still better than nothing. Timing is everything, huh?
Yep. And there's the altcoin season index too. If 75% of alts outperform BTC over 90 days, that's your confirmation.
Where's that index now?
Just 20%, but climbing. Not quite there, but momentum's building.
Any themes leading the charge?
AI is huge. Projects like Fetch and Ajax, big runs in 2024 and still building.
Makes sense. AI plus crypto, that's a hype sandwich.
Exactly. And then you've got RWAs, real-world assets, Chainlink's crushing it.
Ah, yeah, with that cross-chain protocol. Institutions love real-world stuff.
And don't forget Layer 1 wars. Solana, Avalanche, even Cardano, all competing for throughput and users.
What about layer 2s? OP and ARB still hot?
Totally. Ethereum scaling is critical and those L2s are right in the action.
So basically, narratives drive everything?
100%. Smart money follows hype plus fundamentals. That combo prints gains.
But let's talk exit strategy. When do you know it's over?
First sign, Bitcoin dominance rising again. Capital moves back to BTC when things get shaky.
And euphoria, right? Like when every random coin starts pumping.
Yep. When meme tokens pop up hourly, that's your cue. Take profits, don't get greedy.
Any black swans we should watch?
Regulatory surprises or macro shocks can kill the vibe instantly. Always have stop losses.
Good call. So, what's the best way to play this?
Diversify narratives. Don't go all in on AI or L1s, spread across sectors.
And DeFi?
Huge. Uniswap, Aave, Curve, real yield, real usage. Don't just hold, participate.
Any yield ranges worth noting?
Uniswap, up to 10% APR on active pairs. Aave, up to 15% APY. Curve, lower risk, 3-8% on stables.
Impressive. But yeah, smart contract risks are real.
Always read audits. Don't chase the highest yield blind.
Got it. So when's the actual trigger? What's the ideal entry point?
When Bitcoin starts consolidating after a major move. That's when capital rotates out.
Makes sense. Wait for BTC to stall, then watch alts explode.
Exactly. But move with intent. Once it's rolling, research time is over.
And taxes, man. People forget that part.
Track every trade. Some countries treat every swap as taxable. Know your laws.
All right, this was a full-on masterclass.
Alt season 2025. Be ready, be smart, and don't get left holding the bag.
Perfectly said. We'll catch you in the green candles or the next correction. Stay sharp.